Okay, I shared the file, I think so. Just see the file. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you how to do this one. Okay. Here duplicates are there, here duplicates are not there. You have to want to get like this ABC, PDF, PHI, JKL, MNO, right? So here is the break function. Here you can do it like this. First of all, check whether this available, this value is available there or not by pressing F4. And if it's available, what you'll do? It will show all truths. Show all truths because everywhere it is there. Everywhere it is there. Okay. Now row, open the bracket, F2, F4. What it will give us? It will give us from 2 to 6. But I need 1 to 5. 1 to 5. So what I'll do? Minus of row, open the bracket, this one, F4. Now let me check what it will give us. F9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just add 1 and close parentheses and F9. It will give all numbers 1, 2, 3 to 1, 2, 5. Small, if I enter small, comma 1, so it will give you the first smallest from here. Control enter, F2, check. It will pick up first smallest, F9. This one it will pick up. If I highlight and F9, see. If I enter 2 over here, it will pick up the second smallest. Starting only I'll explain you. Now it will pick up 2, F9. Now what you will do, instead of hard coding this one, columns, I'm locking the column G2, colon G2. Close parenthesis. Now let me check. It gives you the 1, answer 1, F9. Okay, forgot the parenthesis. Okay, K F9, 1. I'll explain you this one. The columns 1 is equal to where we are in G3, $G3 colon G3. Okay, if I drag formula here, G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that I will do here. And the index part, what you need, index part is the name, the value, F4, comma. I'm locking all sides. Now it's an array function. You have to use Control, Shift, and Enter. Now see the magic. Till MNO is there. After MNO, there is no value. Okay. It's not a dynamic. You have to convert into dynamic. Okay. IDs, names. Okay. So convert into table. Control T. Yes, my table has headers. Now it converted into a table. Tab, here tab 35157, tab KLM. Observe here, guys. Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on bell icon. If you click on bell icon, you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, guys.